Okay, we are at the beginning of 42nd Street on the FDR Drive. You can see Queens across the way. Yeah, nothing too pretty yet. No big flashy lights. You know, this is how it starts. So we're gonna saddle up and we're gonna go from east to west down 42nd Street. Alright, so the east side is more business than pleasure. It's not those big lit up buildings like you see on the west side. That's all for the west side, Times Square. But we will get there. I know that's what everybody wants to see. The UN is right here towards my right. We'll just glance at it real quick right here. So that's the UN right here. But we're gonna go across 42nd Street. This is downtown, and this is towards the west. Good, we got a bus lane. Bus lanes are always great for bike, e-scooters, because all you gotta worry about is the big buses, not 1,000 taxis. What a nice charger. So this is 2nd Avenue. Oh, I see that. See that white light? That's for buses only. So they'll let the bus goes first. But sometimes well, not sometimes, they always start off slow. So cars always cut them. So they'll let the buses go first now, so they can get in front. I was kind of pushing this video back. I knew it was going to happen one day. Just New Yorkers, they don't go to Times Square. Maybe once a year. There's too much bullshit over there. Coming up is Grand Central Terminal. Let me go on the sidewalk to show you. We'll go nice and calm and slow here.
Both can't be tired doing it, okay?
I hope the music doesn't affect this video. So this is Grand Central Terminal right here. We'll do a video of this one day. Yeah, it's gonna be crowded. We're gonna have to get back to the streets. Let's try to get through this.
You're so close.
What's over here? More music to get copyrighted. These fools. Thank you. Turn off the music. Excuse me. Thank you. Thank you, sir. This is Madison Avenue. Which we will do soon. I did it before on a bike, but I'm loving this e-scooter, my Segway. Why? I like to exercise on a bike, but I had people complaining to me saying they heard me huffing and puffing because I'm overweight. So now when I bike, I don't record it to put up on the channel, but I still do bike. Now this is 5th Avenue. And we will do 5th Avenue one day. And we'll do the whole Times Square too. It's downtown towards 5th Avenue. And you can see Times Square coming up. Slow it down a little because this video is going to be super short. We have Bryant Park to our left. I'll give you a little look at that while we wait for the lights to change. Alright. I was saying earlier, New Yorkers really don't come to Times Square, but when we do, like I haven't been here for like probably about like 6-7 months. I haven't been here for like 3 years just to enjoy it. And, you know, it's nice. It is kind of nice. It's a part of the city that's unlike no other part of the city. Changes over time. This is 2025, March 2025. I believe March 2nd. It's not going to look like this within a year. You always see shops close and open. There used to be a Yankee store. I know closed down over here. The wrestling shop used to be over here, the wrestling restaurant. So if you've never been to the city, I guess you do have to come here once. You do. Okay, let's make this light. We made it. That's it with the lights though. Only about like 3 blocks long. Sorry if the mic is making noise. My hat's a little funky right now. Feels like it's about to fly off. There we go, that should be fixed. We got a couple more blocks left. But now you know the reality of 42nd Street. It's not all bright lights. This is 9th Avenue. We're doing a tour of this too. Price and tolls right here. Eleventh Avenue. This is 12th Avenue, the end of 42nd Street. Now I'm gonna ride home, which is downtown Chelsea. So if you want to stick along, I'm gonna ride the West Side Highway down to 23rd Street. Just to make this video a little longer, but this is the ending of 42nd Street right here. So we started at the river and we ended at the river.